What's the meaning of chaise longue? Chaise longue. Chaise longue.
Chaise longue. Chaise longue. A chaise longue is a type of chair that is designed for reclining in a semi-horizontal position. It typically has an extended seat for supporting the legs and a backrest for reclining. The term chaise longue originated from the French language, which translates to long chair in English. This furniture piece is commonly used for relaxation and can be found in various styles and materials, from traditional upholstered designs to modern minimalist versions made from metal and leather.